Do you know what the rich do differently? They don't just work for money, they make money work for them. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how you can make money from money, even if you're starting small. Hi, I'm Rez, and welcome back to the channel. Here we talk about money, growth, and smart ways to earn more. If you're serious about building wealth, make sure to hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Let's start with the safest way: high-yield savings accounts and government bonds. You're not going to get rich overnight, but your money grows quietly in the background. Think of it as planting seeds for stability. Next, dividend stocks and ETFs. Imagine holding shares of a company and getting paid every few months just for owning them. It's like rent money, but from businesses. Start small, reinvest dividends, and watch it compound. Third, real estate. Now, not everyone can buy a house right away, but you can invest in REITs, real estate investment trusts. They let you own a piece of property portfolios and get rental-style income without ever being a landlord. Fourth, digital assets. This is where the future is heading. You can buy blogs, YouTube channels, or even ebooks that already make money. Think of it as owning an online shop that keeps earning for you. And of course, the high-risk, high-reward options like crypto, startups, or active trading. These can give massive returns, but they can also crash. The golden rule here: never invest money you can't afford to lose. So here's the truth: don't chase quick money. Instead, diversify. Spread your money across safe, medium, and risky investments. Start small, reinvest profits, and let... So, which method would you start with today? Comment below and let's talk. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, share it with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on building your money and your future.